Welcome to yet another episode of Outside the Box. We will be discussing agenda setting theory and how it applies to YouTube.
So, what do you think about that election?
What, are you kidding me? Have you even looked on YouTube, man? Barack's taking it.
I know what you're thinking.
No one tells me what to think.
I know exactly what you're thinking about. I could tell you what you're thinking about right now.
Alright, Slick. Now tell me what I'm thinking about.
Well, since you're looking at YouTube, you probably think Obama's going to dominate.
Actually, there's more to what you guys are saying than you think. It's called agenda setting theory. Agenda setting theory states that the media tells you what to think about, not what to think.
I don't buy it. Nobody can tell me what to think about.
Well, look at the 2008 presidential election. What issues were important to you there?
Things like hope, change.
No, man, real issues. Not just emotions and feelings.
Oh, real issues. Like the war in Iraq? Or sustainable energy?
Yeah, exactly. And what makes you think those are important issues?
Yeah, well, they're all over the news, so they must be important because everybody's talking about them, right?
Well, that's my point. You only thought they were big issues because the news talked about them. Agenda setting theory has many facets, one of which is gatekeeping. Gatekeeping is the way the media controls the messages that are transmitted to the audience.
So you're saying that everything that I see in the news is just chosen by somebody?
Exactly. Even if you don't realize it, there are a lot of biases from advertising to journalists to the actual stories that are broadcast. Traditionally, these gatekeepers were upheld nicely in established media, but with the dawn of the internet, gatekeeping roles have changed.
How are they different?
On the internet, the gatekeeping ability shifts to each independent user, somewhat eliminating the overall impact of gatekeepers on large audiences.
If everyone's broadcasting on the internet, how's gatekeeping only diminished and not eliminated?
It's only diminished due to the ability of major websites like YouTube to promote or demote certain opinions. YouTube in itself is a gatekeeper, and Google is seen as the overall gatekeeper of the internet. We'll get more into this in our video discussing the political economy of YouTube.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Outside the Box.